The Telangana Board of Intermediate Examination has announced the schedule for 2019-20, that's for class 11 and 12. The end of the last academic year had brought some disturbing developments. We had up to 27 students actually commit suicide. I have with me the man who is in fact trying to bring in some drastic kind of measures to ensure that we don't have a repeat of what happened last year. You have brought in all these lecturers from corporate colleges across the state. What is the idea and what are you doing with it?
Our effort is, first of all, to appoint student counselors. So that these student counselors will be trained by us in psychological concepts to help the students overcome their fear and tension and the fear of exams, so that they can appear for the exams confidently and without any stress. And if at all any misfortune is there that they fail, they will be able to face the life with fortitude.
You have first trained government college counselors. You have actually chosen one person from each college at least who the students find approachable. Now you are calling in all the private colleges. Of course, the numbers of suicides, while not dividing government and non-government, but yes, the numbers were higher in the private colleges. Perhaps the pressure was higher. What do these counselors do and what are the kind of inputs you are giving to them?
First of all, we are training them. We have appointed student counselors from among the government colleges. Similarly, we have requested the private colleges also to identify a lecturer who is more popular and interactive with the children, so that they will have more access to him. So that these student counselors will be trained in the psychological concepts to help them train their minds to face stress, to face the exams, to overcome fears, and to help them meditate, to cope with the problems they are facing in life, not just in exams, but in life also. So once these people are trained, they will go and take care of these children to ensure that there is no stress among the children when they face the exam.
Even otherwise, class 11, 12, perhaps very traumatic because they're going to go to college next. Last time round, there was this criticism that there were a lot of technical issues which also added to the confusion and to the kind of angst that the students were facing.
There were a lot of technical problems. So as a first step, we have gone after them and we have prepared all the softwares, changed all the problem, so that up to now there are no problems. By this time last year there were a lot of problems. Now there are no problems and hopefully there will not be any problem till the exams are over.
The agency which is doing it obviously is no longer going to be handling your material.
No. It is going to be a center for good governance. It will be operating our system.
Okay, thank you so much. So, the board certainly taking the initiative to ensure that this year remains less stressful for the students, and they are also in fact in a sense re-looking at the question papers and also the syllabus to try and ensure that students are able to cope with the exam stress and also what follows in a better manner.
Good morning, I am Amdala Srinivas, Principal of Guru Kripa Junior College, Siddipet.
This kind of a counselling session, why was it required? We did see huge numbers of students, unprecedented number actually, taking their own life last year.
This is really necessary. This is the need of the hour. The government at last took up an initiation of conducting programs like this. These kind of programs are really useful. But what I feel from our side is we need to have a complete program what actually the counselors when they go back to their colleges should do, and what exactly the problems that they are facing. As the teachers, as the principals, we knew them very well, but how to handle them, if we have a good knowledge about psychology, we can handle them very right.
Do students actually come out and talk, or do these counselors, they're going to be proactively approaching the students?
No, it's not the case, because of the stigma, people are not approaching counselors or psychologists, and moreover, this is an adolescent people we are dealing with. Adolescent, they have lot of age of stress and strain. They don't know how to approach. They don't even come out of telling their own serious problems, not even the simplest problem. That is the reason why the teachers must be proactive in dealing with the students. So if the student have that kind of knowledge, certainly he can identify which student is suffering a lot and what is the problem with them. He can proactively participate and can bring them into their own arena, and so that they can give better help to them.
This is perhaps the first time that the government is initiating something like
that. It is the first time, because if you look at the central arena, the national wide, there are only 3,000 counsellors are available in the market. How can these 3,000 of counsellors can deal with the common people? almost 1 out of 5 is suffering from some kind of mental disorder. So if you look at 130 crores population, what could be the number of people are suffering from mental health issues, and what number of people are available in there? So
And what is your assessment of the numbers of children, students, youngsters who may be under this kind of stress?
almost all studies have told that there is more than 17 to 18% of the students are facing severe psychological distress like anxiety or conduct problems, behavioral problems, and now that has grown up. Actually, that figures won't survive. I think it is almost 40% of the children today are suffering from these kind of issues.
Is it about academic stress? Is it about societal pressure? What is it?
It's all together because their family brought up is a major concern. Children who are coming from poor backgrounds, they don't have enough space in their houses, so they live in cramped houses. Moreover, their economic levels are low, and where student comes from such kind of background has so much of low self-esteem. That's why he may not venture out into the studies to show his own talent. That's the biggest problem. Several things are associated into it. Even the present day education system, which is giving more importance for cramming of the information than rather giving the right kind of education. All these are issue. We cannot find fault with somebody else, neither with the parents nor with the schools or with somebody else. It's the whole system has to take a right initiative right now, and proactively, if they can participate and do something, then only the things will set right. And of course, the children are the future of our nation.
Yeah, basically intermediate teachers, they came straight from their colleges. They are not counselors. They are not like school teachers. School teachers, they had orientation in B.Ed or... so now, that's what I'm requesting the secretary also to
Yes, sir.
educate teachers through these counselors, like training of trainers program, so that we can support those teachers, how to guide students, how to motivate students. Then the teachers in turn can motivate students.
A lot of the parents put pressure on the students. You have to come first rank. You have to get IIT seat and all these things. When they cannot fulfill the desires of the institution and the parents, they make it as a failure. It is all due to identity crisis, inferiority complex, and these things. They don't belong to life because they don't have affection in the house, proper affection, and too much expectation from the institutions. This leads to suicide. That's as simple as that. Only thing is we have to teach the lecturers. We are conducting this class to the lecturers because we want the lecturers to tell the importance of life, the importance of affection, the expectations of the parents and all these things. Then they won't do all, they don't take the extreme step. I don't blame the corporate colleges. The corporate colleges says, join your child into my college, I will see that you will get a seat in IIT. If the parents believe that, the corporate college is going to rub them. Because you yourself prepared for this and you are joining your child. The child wants to be an IIT and she wants to work hard. He is not capable of working hard. Then he commits suicide. I don't blame corporate college. When a capitalist economy, when the business is there, all the institutions will come and invest their money to...
Do we need more regulation?
You need more... the parents should think whether the child is capable of studying IIT, capable of getting good marks.
Realistic expectation.
There are two brains, left brain and right brain. Right brain students are good in mathematics, management, and then left brain students are good in medicine, law, literature. They are more memory oriented. These people are more intelligent oriented. If your child is mathematics oriented and you join him in medicine, he may not be good. These parents don't believe all this. They want their child to be a doctor, even though his left brain is not good. Then the problem comes. Basically, my life, I am a right brain oriented mathematician, but my father wanted me to become a doctor. So I failed. Failed means I did not get the 60 marks in my intermediate. Luckily, I came for BCom and I became a chartered accountant. That is my right brain. This is how the work goes on.
Is there a possibility of actually assessing scientifically what each child is?
From 8th class to 10th class, if he is good in mathematics, how fast he can answer the questions, his memory power. Memory power is right brain, left brain. and then his how quickly what is sin theta by cos theta into tan theta by tan square theta. Immediately he should calculate. Then his right brain is excellent. What is phylum Protozova, Porifera, Coelenterata? This is left brain memory. So you can assess that easily. And there are counselors in Hyderabad itself who can judge your child whether he is right brain oriented or left brain oriented.
That's something you actually think can be a part of mandatory choosing when people are actually going to opting for different subjects. Is it possible to make it part of protocol?
You cannot legislate it. You cannot. The fundamental right of the child is to read whatever he wants. Many children want to become astronauts. I don't know why this concept has come. Astronauts. There are no astronauts in the world nowadays. No country is prepared to send them to. But still, this is all peer influence. You are influenced by peer group.
Thank you.
Don't open your eyes. Some students ఇట్లా ఓపెన్ చేస్తారు వాళ్ళు ఉంటారండి వాళ్ళు ఏంటంటే మనం వద్దన్నారండి యు ఆర్ వెరీ గుడ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ రైట్ డోంట్ ఓపెన్ యువర్ ఐస్ స్టిల్ ఐ సే ఓపెన్ రైట్ ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ 6 instructions. Fold the paper into half. Paper మధ్యకి పడవండి. I don't repeat. Make another fold. Right? And tear a small piece of paper in the center. మధ్యలో చిన్న ముక్క చింపి కింద పడేయండి. Right? మళ్ళీ again now unfold it. పడత విప్పండి. Tear a big piece of paper right side. చింపిన ముక్కలు కింద పడేయండి పర్వాలేదు. Right? మళ్ళీ again fold it. Tear a small paper in the left side. And finally make a small hole in the middle. Now open the paper and show to the audience. If any two papers are alike, I give them 50 acres land near Hyderabad airport. ఏ రెండైనా ఒకలా ఉంటుంది మీ ముగ్గురులో. See, same teacher, instructions to 3 students, they behave in a different way. Then, మీ పేరేంటి? ప్రపూర్ణ, అనురాధ, రేణు గారు కరెక్టా, అనురాధ గారు కరెక్టా, ప్రపూర్ణ గారు కరెక్టా? హూ ఈజ్ బెస్ట్? మీరు అనుకోవడం కాదు, చాలా మంది ఇలా అనుకుంటూ ఉంటారండి. మంచి అలా చేస్తూ ఉంటారు అట్రాక్ట్ చేయడానికి. అదేమని నమ్మకం. ఎవరు కరెక్టు మీరు చెప్పండి. ముగ్గురులో హెడ్ మాస్టర్లా అక్కడ ఉన్న ఏ లెక్క చేయదు. వినాలి. సో ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటేనంటే ఎవరు కరెక్ట్ అంటే the 3 students are excellent students, but the teacher, he didn't play his role effectively.
I have with me the Secretary of the Education Department of the government. You're taking a very serious view of the suicide deaths that are happening, and Telangana has had a history of high numbers of student suicides.
Yeah, we have taken the issue very seriously, and a number of reforms have been initiated since then. So one such reforms is in both government colleges and private colleges, we are identifying one counselor, either principal or the nominee of the principal who has expertise and aptitude for counseling from each college. And at state government level, for both government and private colleges, we are training them, and the series of trainings we will impart to them, number one. And number two, this counseling, once they go to their respective colleges, these counselors will undertake counseling for the students there. And also each student will have a mentor. So we are devising certain steps, though basically to celebrate the failure also, to learn from the failure. And somebody wants to get 100, they may get 99, they think it is a failure. Somebody wants to get 90, they may get 89, that is also failure. Some people fail for various reasons. So failure, 100% efforts they have to make during the normal academic tenure, and results they should not be worried. So this is the thing.
Telangana has been one of those states that also gives fantastic results as far as competitive exams go, but the stress and the kind of a culture that has crept into the private colleges, that's something that the government had been looking to regulate. The last year we saw many corporate colleges, you were telling them the timings. Is that also something that you're looking at, about how schedules can be kind of revised to make it less stressful?
Yeah, in fact, moderate stress is possible and required also. We are preparing them to face the stress rather than to reduce the stress to zero. We cannot say what sort of condition will induce what sort of stress in the people. So stress management and then encountering the stress is very important points.
There were also some technical problems last time when the inquiry came about. Also, the government had admitted to them. What are you doing about them? What is the state of that inquiry?
No, actually the three-man committee, whatever has submitted, see the short term, medium term, long term, all the recommendations have been accepted and we are taking corrective measures.
Thank you so much. So the government certainly taking this on priority to try and ensure that there is minimum kind of distress among the students causing and provoking them to take their own life. In Hyderabad with camera person Nagaraju, Uma Sudhir.